So in one of our previous videos, we showed you how to watch Netflix with your friends, on mobile or even on your web browser. If you haven't, watched that video, click on the YouTube cards to go watch that, and then you can come back to this. So I was searching about and I found this app that lets you watch Netflix with up to 20 of your friends, which is amazing. Here's how it looks in action. And not only that, it also supports HBO, which is pretty fire. So I'm Vamsi from Proxy, and here's how you watch Netflix with more than 20 of your friends together in quarantine. Before we get started, all viewers need to have their own subscription to the streaming services and a Google Chrome browser extension that is compatible with Mac, Windows PC and Chromebook. Unfortunately, there's no support for Linux yet. So Cena's free extension works with Netflix and other streaming services, and they most recently added support for HBO Now. First things first, all participants, max to 20 people, have to install Cena's Chrome extension on their PC, Mac or Chromebook. So go to the Chrome web browser and then open Chrome Web Store and then search for Cena and then click on Add to Chrome Now. It'll ask you to add extension or cancel, so click on Add Extension. Now wait for a few seconds, it'll automatically install in your browser, just have some patience. And in the meantime, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can just click on that to install it if you're too lazy. And as you can see on the top right corner, it shows a Cena icon. There's another way you can install Cena, of course. Simply go to the Cena official website and then click on Get Cena and add Cena, so it'll directly open Chrome Web Store and then automatically install just by clicking on Add to Chrome. Now when you click on the extension icon, you'll notice that it opens a new Chrome window. And that lets you share Netflix with one of your friends, so click on the Cena icon. Next, click on Create a Private Theater. Now it'll ask you for your permission to allow extension to use your mic and camera, which is needed for video chat. Then you can select the service that you want to share, be it Netflix or HBO. And it'll also ask you for your webcam, so if you want to use your webcam, just allow it. Now when you log into your Netflix account, it'll give you a sharing code that you have to share with your friend. So ask your friends to download the extension, and once they've done that, use the code or the link. To demonstrate this, I'll come to the second PC I've already installed a Cena with. So once you clicked on the icon, next you have to enter the code that you created and then log in with your Netflix. It also works for HBO and a few other services, which is pretty cool. Anyway, the first PC has the remote control to choose the show and pause and play button. Since it allows many users, it makes sense that only one user has access to the remote to avoid confusion. It's like a family movie night all over again, you're fighting for the remote. However, you can tap on the remote icon on the top to pass it over to the other users. And that's pretty much it. You can chat and video call alongside running the show. So there you go, that's how you video chat together and watch Netflix or HBO with all of your mates. Let me know in the comment section below if it worked for you or if it didn't, or which service that you use to watch Netflix together, or how your friends usually go about doing that. In case you guys want to watch geo-restricted content on your Netflix if you're outside of the United States, check out smartdnsproxy.com, which lets you unblock geo-restricted content on sites like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, Apple TV. There's a bunch of those. We've done video for each and every one of them. So there's a playlist, so just click on that if you want to install it and watch geo-restricted content, which is amazing. As always, I'm Vamsi, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.